Appliance brands have been pulling the same trick for years, and most people fall for it every time. They make something that looks amazing in the store. Sleek design, loads of features, feels premium. You take it home, it works great for a year or two, then it breaks. The repair guy shows up, quotes you $400, then mentions a brand new one is only $700. So you buy another one. Then it happens again. You're not buying an appliance, you're paying a bill you never signed up for. Before we rank the brands, I want to show you one thing first. That cheap fridge you bought to save money? You didn't buy it once, you bought it 4 times. Every 6 years, back to the store. Over 20 years, that $800 fridge costs you $3,200. The $1,500 one that actually lasts? You buy it once and you're done. The expensive one is cheaper. That's what they don't want you to know. Today we're going through 8 of the biggest kitchen appliance brands, worst to first. We looked at real service call data, how long the parts actually last, and what independent testing says when the marketing is stripped away. One brand on this list is probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Let's find out if that's a good thing or not. And don't forget to check out the video description for recommended products. Number 8. Samsung. Looks like a winner, costs like a loser. Starting at the bottom, and this brand needs a serious conversation because it's one of the top-selling appliance lines in the country. Walk into any appliance store and the displays are impossible to ignore. Beautiful matte finishes, massive touch screens, built-in cameras, family hub displays, dual evaporator cooling, flex zone drawers that switch between fridge and freezer temperatures on demand. It's genuinely impressive to look at. And then, reality arrives about 2 to 4 years in. The single biggest reliability complaint across the entire appliance industry right now involves this brand's indoor ice makers. They clog, freeze over, crack, and fail at a rate that has generated thousands of consumer complaints and multiple class action cases. Their smart displays, the ones that look so good in the store, run on circuit boards that are expensive to replace and frequently fail before the physical body of the machine shows anywhere at all. Their washers have had issues with drum bearings and control boards. Their dishwashers rank consistently lower than competitors on both cleaning performance and long-term durability scores. The core problem is identity. This is a consumer electronics company that entered the appliance market, and it shows. They build appliances the way they build phones, prioritizing features and visual appeal over mechanical longevity. Number 7. Frigidaire. Budget pricing, budget expectations. This brand is not trying to fool anyone, and that is honestly refreshing. Sitting in the entry-level tier of the market, it serves a very specific buyer, someone who needs a functional appliance at a low price point and has realistic expectations about what they're getting. Their gas ranges are the standout product in the lineup. For everyday cooking at an accessible price, the performance-to-cost ratio is genuinely competitive. You get usable burner power, straightforward controls, and a build quality that holds up reasonably well for the money. Their basic refrigerators offer decent energy efficiency and give first-time buyers and renters a sensible entry point without overcommitting on cost. Their air conditioners and chest freezers are solid performers in the budget category. Where the brand falls short is lifespan and premium execution. The materials are lighter, the components are less robust, and the long-term ownership story is not nearly as compelling as the brands above it on this list. Number 6. KitchenAid. Premium price, shared bones. This one is going to genuinely surprise a lot of because KitchenAid has one of the most loyal followings of any appliance brand in existence. And for good reason, because their stand mixer is one of the most durable and reliable kitchen products ever made. The tilt-head stand mixer, introduced in 1937, has gone through remarkably few mechanical changes because it simply works. People own these mixers for 30 and 40 years without issue. That reputation is completely earned. The problem is that the stand mixer's legendary status has cast a halo over the rest of the product line that is not entirely deserved. Here's something most buyers do not know. KitchenAid is owned by Whirlpool. Their refrigerators, dishwashers, and cooking ranges are built on the same core platforms as Whirlpool's less expensive products. You're getting the same internal mechanics wrapped in heavier gauge finishes, more premium hardware, and a higher price tag. That's not inherently wrong, but where it creates a real problem is in the electronics. The added features that justify the premium price, things like advanced filtration systems, more complex control panels, and additional sensors, introduce failure points that the stripped-down Whirlpool version underneath doesn't have. Refrigerator electronic failure rates run higher than their price point justifies. Dishwashers and wall ovens perform better and hold up more reliably. So the honest answer with this brand is that it depends entirely on which product you're buying. Number 5. Whirlpool. Simple, solid, underrated. The brand that KitchenAid borrows its bones from, and the reason that borrowing works is that these bones are genuinely good. This brand wins on one principle that the industry keeps trying to walk away from: mechanical simplicity reduces failure rates. If it's not in the machine, it can't break. No oversized touchscreens, no indoor ice systems with a dozen independent components, no app-connected cooling zones. What Whirlpool gives you instead is a refrigerator that cools reliably, a washer that cleans thoroughly, a dishwasher that actually gets things dry, and a dryer that does not take 3 cycles to finish a load. Across their entire lineup, including washers, dryers, refrigerators, and dishwashers, the service call frequency is consistently low, and the repairs that do happen are straightforward and affordable because the parts are everywhere, and every technician has seen the insides of these machines 100 times. For rental properties, primary homes on a practical budget, or anyone who has learned the hard way that complexity is the enemy of reliability, this brand is the most sensible choice in the mid-range. It will never be the most exciting option, but in 15 years, when your neighbor is on their 3rd Samsung, you will still be on your 1st. If this breakdown is saving you money, hit subscribe on Valid Consumer. We do this kind of research so you don't have to. Number 4. GE Profile, the trusted American standard. Sitting in the mid-premium tier with first-year service rates around 8.0%, this brand's real competitive advantage has nothing to do with the appliances themselves. It's about what happens after something goes wrong. Almost every appliance repair technician in the country has worked on GE machines. The parts are stocked at every major supplier. The repair manuals are widely available. When a GE Profile range, refrigerator, or dishwasher needs service, you're not waiting 2 weeks for a specialist or paying a premium for a proprietary component that only one distributor carries. You call a technician, they show up the next day, they fix it in an hour, and they charge you a normal rate. That serviceability is a genuine financial advantage that does not show up in any spec sheet. Beyond serviceability, the product lineup is solid across the board. Their cooking ranges and wall ovens are where the brand leads, offering smart cooking features like air fry modes, precision temperature probes, and convection settings without overcomplicating the mechanical foundations underneath. Their refrigerators balance modern features with manageable repair histories. Their dishwashers are reliable workhorses. For someone outfitting a full kitchen who wants dependable performance, easy maintenance, and the peace of mind that comes with a national service network, this brand is a very strong choice. Number 3. LG, the comeback story that earned it. A few years back, recommending this brand without a serious caveat would have been irresponsible. LG had a well-documented compressor failure problem across their refrigerator lineup that resulted in class action lawsuits in the United States, Canada, and several other markets. Thousands of owners saw their refrigerators fail within 2 to 5 years, well inside what should have been the machine's productive life. The brand took a real hit to its credibility, and it deserved to. What makes the current story genuinely interesting is how seriously they responded. Recent reliability data across their newer product lineup shows a first-year service failure rate of around 5.5%, which is lower than almost every other brand in this tier, including some that cost significantly more. The turnaround is real and it's measurable. The reason the improvement is sustainable comes down to manufacturing structure. Unlike most appliance brands that outsource their core components to third-party suppliers, LG designs and builds their own linear compressors and internal circuit boards. That vertical integration gives them control over quality at every stage of production. Their refrigerators are now genuinely excellent, with smart features like interior cameras, app connectivity, and flexible storage zones that work reliably rather than becoming failure points. Their washers, particularly the front-load models, are consistently among the highest rated for cleaning performance and long-term reliability. Their InstaView ranges and smart ovens bring innovation without sacrificing durability. The reason LG sits at 3 rather than higher is that the long-term track record on the new models is still building. The numbers are good, the history behind them is short. That gap keeps them just below the top 2. Number 2. Bosch, the engineer's choice. This is where most people who have done their homework end up, and for good reason. With first-year service rates hovering around 8.0%, the numbers alone do not tell the full story. While other brands might match them in year 1, what sets Bosch apart is their 10 to 15-year survival rate, which crushes the competition. The dishwashers are the flagship of the lineup and genuinely deserve the reputation they've built. Many models operate at around 44 decibels, which is quieter than a normal conversation. The third-rack design that this brand popularized has been copied by almost every competitor in the premium tier. Cleaning performance and long-term reliability scores are consistently at the top of independent consumer testing. Their induction cooktops are currently leading the market for dependability. Induction as a technology is significantly more reliable than gas or traditional electric because there are fewer mechanical components that wear out. But not all induction cooktops are built equally. Bosch's implementation is tighter, more consistent, and better integrated with their oven systems than any domestic competitor. While they used to outsource their refrigeration, their newer, in-house engineered dual-compressor refrigerators prove their commitment to quality applies to the whole kitchen. The washing machines and dryers, available in select markets, carry the same philosophy: precise engineering, minimal unnecessary complexity, long service life. This brand plays the long game in every product category, and that commitment runs all the way through to how they engineer each machine. Number 1. Miele, built to outlast everything else. And here is the brand at the top. And if you have never priced a Miele appliance before, prepare yourself. A single dishwasher can cost more than an entire kitchen suite from a budget brand. A washing machine can run upwards of $2,000. The sticker shock is real. But go back to the economy of ownership calculation from the start of this video. Miele engineers every appliance to a 20-year lifespan standard. That is not a marketing claim. That is a design specification that governs every component choice, every material selection, and every assembly process in their German factories. First-year service failure rates sit under 7.5%, and that number holds up over the full life cycle of the machine in a way that few competitors can match. Their dishwashers are the best produced anywhere in the world by any objective measure. Quiet operation, cleaning consistency, build quality, and longevity. Their washing machines use commercial-grade internal components, cast-iron counterweights, and proprietary brushless motors that simply don't wear out like conventional machines, which is a large part of why they last so long. Their vacuum cleaners, which many people forget the brand makes, are built on the same philosophy and carry the same longevity. Their ovens and cooktops are precision instruments that hold temperature with an accuracy that matters for serious cooking. Even their coffee machines, an underrated part of the lineup, are built to be serviced and maintained for decades rather than replaced. The people this brand is built for are the ones who have done the math and understand that paying more upfront for something that will never need replacing is not a luxury decision. It's the most rational financial choice available. It is the cast iron skillet principle applied to your entire kitchen. Buy it once, buy it right, and then never think about it again. And if you're not subscribed to Valid Consumer yet, you're simply leaving money on the table.